Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate.
Panama City Beach, Florida. We got a new listing.
This one is at 7163 Riverbrooke in Panama City, 32404, obviously in Florida.
Is subdivision is at Barrett Park at Olde Towne Village. Kind of up to 31. If you're coming from Panama City, up to 31 on the right.
This is actually a DR Horton resale, and it's a really cute floor plan. It's called the ARIA. And tell us a little bit about that floor plan.
3 bedroom, 2 bath, open floor plan, split, open concept, split floor plan. It really feels so bigger than it is. It's 1,600 square feet. But when you walk in, it really feels nice and spacious. You have the 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom to the right when you walk to the front door, and then you have the open floor concept, living, kitchen, dining, and the master suite right on the back.
And you actually know these folks pretty well, right? What's going on there?
Yeah, we sold them the home, brand new DR Horton home about a year ago, and now they are relocating. They are going to move up to Ohio.
Yeah, they're military and they got a PCS, had to relocate, and calling back the dream team to help them out. So if you guys want to see this home, really cute.
Super affordable.
Yes, that too. We'd love to show it to you.
Give us a call.
Our contact information's below.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Yes, please subscribe. And if you have a home that you need to sell in the Panama City Beach,
please give us a call. We would love to help you.
Bay County area, give us a call.
Thanks so much.
Talk to you next time.
See you soon.
Bye for now.
Bye.